I forgot the count how many number of times I've eaten pizza. But here at my farm, some of my staff has never eaten a pizza. You're going to see how they're going to react when they eat the pizza for the first time. They call it a flying red disc. But let's make a quick fix pizza for them. The first step to make any recipe tasty and healthy is to use Neem Wash to wash and rinse your vegetables. Add your vegetables to the water. For 1 liter of water, add 1 cup of Neem Wash. Soak the vegetables for 15 minutes. Wash even your leafy vegetables and herbs. You can instantly see the vegetables getting cleaned with the Neem Wash and rinse them in the running tap water. I'm going to make this in butter. You can also use some oil if you want, okay, for the sauce. And in this, I'm going to add a little bit of onion. Chop the onion fine. In this, add a lot of garlic. The more the garlic, the tastier is your pizza sauce. The starting aroma itself is so pleasant. Just saute it till they are slightly transparent. I'm going to add pinch of all-purpose flour, Maida, to get that nice consistency. Do not add too much, just very little. And just let it cook for another 1 minute. Add tomato concasse or the puree and mix it well. For the nice red color, add some paprika powder. In the hotels, we used to cook this for a couple of hours, but here at least 15 minutes of slow cooking is needed. Add some of the pizza seasoning, salt, sugar to correct the sourness of your tomatoes, some oregano and some basil too. The sauce is perfect. The consistency should not be too watery, should not be too thick. This should just spread like a silky sauce onto the pizza. I'm going to let it cook for another 2 minutes and this is done. Take a ladle full of sauce and do the dosa dance. Perfect. Top it off with your favorite vegetables, including cheese. This is the pinched paneer. Pinched paneer is you take the paneer and just pinch it and add. And also we're going to add a lot of vegetables. I love a lot of capsicum, the colored ones, onions, and make sure that you will have the crunch even when the pizza is done. You can also try baby corn. One of my friend's favorite is pineapple. So nobody shall teach you what is your favorite topping on the pizza. Whatever you like, you try it. Jalapenos also from my farm. I've got a lot of these beautiful jalapenos and some basil. This is a good spread. And time to load it with the mozzarella cheese. Power Chef Pranav added extra cheese on this. So let it go. Make sure this is a glass. Perfect. Okay. Since the base is already baked, 220 degrees centigrade for 6 to 7 minutes, or when the cheese melts, ta-da, the pizza is done. The beautiful pizza. Perfect. Wow. We all love pizza and especially the spread. My God, I almost forgot this is for somebody's tasting. But when pizza is so good, amazing, out of the world, and so perfect. The sauce, every bite of it with the nice hot jalapenos, just too good. Soak the jalapenos in the vinegar for some time and add, you will have that nice bite. Every bite, a perfect bite. Just too good. Okay, Chinnabuji, eppudu pizza tinle kada nuvu? Sare oka piece tini chudu. Etluntadi? ఎట్ సైడ్ తినాలో తెలుసు నీకు?
సార్ టీవీలో చూసినాం కానీ ఎప్పుడు ఇట్లా తినలేము సార్. ఎప్పుడైనా మా పిల్లలకు చేసి పెట్టరా సార్?
సరే మా చేసి పెడతా ఈరోజే చేసి పెడతాం. Water alone is not effective in removing your germs and especially the pesticides from your vegetables and fruits. It often leaves behind pesticides and is not able to disinfect the vegetables from foodborne illness causing germs. This can affect your health and safety of your family. ITC's Neem Wash with 100% natural action, neem and citrus extracts is more than 100% effective in removing germs than water. ITC Neem Wash, vegetable and fruit wash, 100% natural action gives 5-in-1 protection. It is proven to be effective against COVID-19 coronavirus and other germs and pesticides, keeping your family healthy and safe. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed today's session. See you with other new recipes very soon.